Hi everybody, my name is Joanne and today together we will be creating word projectors. Before we get started, I would like to ask that an adult be present and participating in this activity with you. The few things we will need are cardboard paper towel or toilet paper tubes, saran wrap, dry erase markers or permanent markers, a small flashlight, rubber bands, and stickers if you choose. If you also like, you can use felt markers and crayons to decorate the outside of your cardboard tubes. Take a small piece of saran wrap and cover one end of the cardboard tube. Attach the saran and hold it in place with an elastic band. Then take a dry erase marker and draw a small picture, word, or shape on the plastic wrap. For this step, you can also place a sticker at the end. I have chosen stickers of shapes. A very important tip, when writing a word, you must write the word backwards in order for it to appear correctly spelled when it is being reflected on the wall. Lastly, take your finished creation and shine a flashlight through the opposite end of the plastic wrap. Shine this up against a light colored wall and make sure the room is dim lighted. A helpful hint is I happened to notice that my cell phone flashlight worked a lot better than a regular flashlight. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Thanks for watching.